Peter.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon, Peter. What did you do today, Peter?
Um, I watch TV.
Oh, just watch TV the whole day? Did you play soccer too, or maybe you went somewhere?
No.
Okay, just play. Just watching TV the whole day then.
Yes.
Okay, what did you watch on TV?
Um, I watch. I watch football.
Oh, okay.
I watch football.
Is it World Cup?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I see. That is why. Now, Peter, what we're going to do is that we'll have a quick review of these words before we'll proceed to the practice. So, can you tell me again what street market is?
Is a cheese a street have a market?
Okay, yes, that is right. Wherein you can buy things. Okay, what about historical building?
Um, is Wait me.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Lang. Yes. What is historical building, Peter?
Um, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay, so again, Peter, remember when we say historical building, it is a building that is important, okay? Is significant age or importance, and it is often preserved for its cultural value, okay? Which means it is important in history. It played an important part in the past, okay? Historical building. Wait, let me translate it for you. I know you have a lot of historical building in Vietnam.
Tòa nhà lịch sử.
Okay?
Okay.
Now what about skyscraper?
Is I don't know.
Can you try to share your idea, Peter? I know you have an idea about it. A skyscraper is a
Um, uh, I don't know.
okay, so it is a very tall building, Peter. It's a very tall building that is often used as offices or commercial ones.
Tòa nhà chọc trời.
Okay.
Now, next one, what about a shopping mall?
Um, is um, is like a supermarket.
Okay, it's like a supermarket. What can we buy here?
Um, we can buy toy. Buy by clothes, by what,
Okay.
by fans,
Or some food as
um,
well, right?
yes,
Okay, yes, exactly. Now, what about dry, Peter?
it's not wet,
Okay, sunny.
it's, not rain,
Okay, and
it's
snow.
snow, is, is, uh, is very cold,
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me what is it, Peter?
is street market,
Okay, that is correct. Next one. What about this?
is historical, historical, building,
Very good. What about this one?
um, is snow,
Okay, very good. This one.
is green,
Okay, great job, Peter. What about this?
um, is, sunny,
Okay, very good, Sunny. What about this one?
is skyscraper,
Okay, very good. What about this?
is shopping mall,
Okay. And the last one we have.
um, is, um, dry.
Okay, yes, very good. It is dry. Great job, Peter. Now let us have exercise 2. Can you tell me what it means when we say polluted? Polluted.
Um, uh, I don't know.
Okay, so now when we say polluted, Peter, it means it is dirty in a dangerous way. Like, for example, the lake is very polluted, which means that the lake is filled with dirty stuffs. Maybe some people throw trash in there, Peter, that makes it dirty and dangerous for animals to live there. Just like, for example, fish. Okay, that is polluted. Again, let me translate it for you
Okay,
so you'll understand it
okay,
better.
okay,
It's okay now.
okay.
Next one, what about dangerous?
Um, is, uh, not safe.
Okay, yes, very good. It is not safe and it could harm us or it could hurt us. Like, for example, speeding through a school zone is very dangerous because a lot of students walk there. Now, what about homesick?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, now when we say homesick, wait, instead of me telling the answer, I will translate that and you have to tell me its meaning.
Nhớ
Okay,
nhà.
What is it, Peter?
okay. Is, is, uh, um,
What do
uh,
you think? This one. We've talked about this one before, right? That's why it's just a review now.
um,
homesick? It means
It's mean uh, um uh
you can do it. Take your time, Peter.
uh um I don't know.
Okay, so now again, Peter, when we say homesick, it means you have this feeling or desire for um of missing your home or your family because you are far from them for a certain period of time. Okay, so like for example, if you will visit your grandparents for a month, you'll stay there for a month, Peter. You will feel homesick, which means you will miss your house or you will miss your family because you are far from them. That is homesick, okay?
Okay.
Now, what about overwhelmed?
Um overwhelmed. I don't know.
Okay, now when we say overwhelmed, Peter, it means to have a very strong emotional effect on, which means that it is something that is too much to handle. It could be emotionally or physically. Okay, it's too much to handle. Okay, can you tell me again what it means when we say overwhelmed, Peter?
Um is uh um uh um uh,
What does it mean again? When we say overwhelm, it is something that is too much to.
um is uh
It
uh
is.
I don't know.
Okay, so again, Peter, when we say overwhelmed, it means it is something that is too much to handle. It could be, like, for example, um, emotionally or physically. Like, for example, when I visited India, I was overwhelmed by all the colors and smell. Okay, you think that the colors in India that you can see in that country or the smell is something unusual that you normally experience. Okay, too much to handle. Now, what about thrilled?
I don't know.
Okay, so let me translate it, Peter. I want you to explain your to give me your meaning. Okay, so this is thrilled.
vô cùng phấn khởi,
It's
Okay.
what is it?
Is uh oh is
It's
uh uh is fun.
It's fun. Okay. Yes, when we say thrilled, it means it is something that is yeah, very excited or happy. Like for example, my son is thrilled to be going to Disneyland, which means the person's son here is very excited because finally they will be going to the happiest place on earth, which is the Disneyland. Okay. Now, what about you, Peter? What are you thrilled of?
Um, I travel
Oh, traveling where?
um everywhere.
Oh, anywhere. Okay. Well, it's good to travel, Peter. Now, what about scared?
Is uh, uh, hmm, uh
Scared.
is mm, mm,
If you can't
is
give me the meaning, Peter, you can give me an example.
uh I uh,
Like,
a ghost
oh,
a
like
ghost is very scary.
oh, very scary. Okay, the ghost is very scary. Okay, yes. So you are afraid of it. Okay, you are afraid it could be someone, a person, or something like ghost. Okay, like for example, she looked scared when the dog ran to her. Of course, we'll be scared because what if the dog will bite us? Now, next one we have awful. Awful.
Um, it's very bad.
Okay, yes, it is very bad. It is unpleasant. Like, for example, the food in this restaurant is awful. It doesn't meet your expectations. Now, last one, we have enjoyable.
Is very fun.
Okay, yes, it is very fun. It is making you feel happy. Now, let us practice, Peter, and tell me whether the words we have here are positive or negative. Now, the first one is polluted. Polluted. Is it positive or
Um,
negative?
is positive.
Okay, yeah, it is negative. Negative, Peter. Can you tell me again what it means when we say polluted?
Um, is uh, uh,
What does it mean again? We've talked it just now, Peter. Can you tell me what it means when we say polluted? It's
is uh, um, uh,
it means
uh,
it's a
this
negative word.
means
It's a negative word, Peter. So it's like for example, the lake is polluted. It means the lake is
um, mm, is
what do you think?
uh, uh, um,
Okay, wait, let me translate it for you, Peter.
ô nhiễm,
Okay, now tell me, what does
okay.
it mean? What does it mean in English?
Is um is water very
Very.
polluted?
Yes, the water is very polluted, which means the water is clean.
Is
Is it
uh
clean? Is the water clean, Peter, or no?
there is
It's dirty.
dirty.
Okay, yes, it's dirty. That is why it is negative. Okay, now what about dangerous?
Is negative.
Okay, what about homesick?
Is negative.
Okay, it could be negative, Peter, because it'll affect your feeling, but most of the time it is positive because it means that you love your family, you love your hometown because you miss them. Okay, so it could be positive and a negative. Next one, overwhelm.
Is positive.
Okay, it is positive. It depends on the situation as well. So it could be positive or negative. Now, what about thrilled?
Is positive.
Okay, what about scared?
Is negative.
Awful.
Is negative.
And enjoyable
Is positive.
okay, yes, it is positive. Now let us move on to another one, Peter. What does it mean again when we say on the coast? On the coast.
Um
On the coast means
this means I
means
don't know.
okay. Wait, let me translate it.
Trên bờ biển.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
What is it?
It's on the beach.
Okay, yes, it is located in the beach or it is next to the beach. Okay, that is on the coast. What about dense? Dense.
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, now when we say dense, Peter, it means it is closely packed together. Okay, closely packed together. Dense. Okay.
Dày đặc.
Okay.
Now, next one, typhoon. What is a typhoon?
I don't know.
Okay, so a typhoon, Peter, it is a tropical storm. Okay,
Bão.
wherein you'll experience strong winds and heavy rain. Okay, typhoon. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Now what about drought? Drought.
Um is I don't know.
Okay, now again, when we say drought, Peter, it is a long period without rain. Okay, a long period without rain, which means that the land, Peter, it will look like this. Okay, like this, Peter. A long period without rain, Peter, only sunlight, it'll lead to soils looking like this. Okay? Drought.
Okay. Okay.
Now, next one, winter.
It's very cold.
Okay, yes, it is the coldest season of the year. What about passenger?
I don't know.
Oh, you forgot it already. When we say passenger, Peter, it is the person who travels in a vehicle, plane, or ship that is not the driver. Okay, not the driver.
Um, uh,
Hành khách.
okay.
Now, next one, what about flight attendant?
Is not the pilot. Is not the pilot.
What does she or he do?
Um, um, and they are
They help who? They help
the passenger.
Okay, very good, Peter. The last one, we have seat. Seat. Seat is
Seats is I don't know.
okay, it's the chair, Peter. It is the chair where you can sit. Okay, seat. It is a place where you can sit.
Okay.
Okay, that is it. Now, I believe that would be all. And the next meeting, Peter, which is tomorrow, we'll have the practice and as well as review of some words again. Okay, so please review it before tomorrow. Thank you so much, Peter. You are so handsome, Peter. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
Peter.
teacher.